Welcome back, guys, once again to this vlog. Like, I'm doing this vlog after since a very long time, so sorry for that, but this is what it is. I'm back again. So this is all about solo camping, and the thing is, like, I have my own setup over here. So I've come to a place. This will location will be very secret. Video ke end tak I will disclose you the location if you stick around in the video. And this is what is the setup looks like. I have my own bike here, okay, and this is my bag. Okay, ये पूरा मेरा camping gears hai. And this is the place. Since because of the less light, I'm sorry guys, I'm not able to show you around, but this is what exactly it looks like. I'll try to adjust with a new light if I have that with me. Other than that, I have bought very less stuff because this is one of a kind video that I'm making for the very first time. And yes, यहाँ पे there is marriage going on in nearby, but I have come to a very, I can say, a safe place. तो वीडियो के एंड में मैं आपको डेफिनेटली डिस्क्लोज करूँगा. दिस नाइट विल बी अबाउट कुकिंग, फाइंडिंग वुड लॉग्स, जो मैं अभी करने जा रहा हूँ. सो आई एम बैक टू दिस स्पॉट एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर वुड के लॉग्स, छोटे मोटे ब्लॉग्स जो भी मुझे मिल जाए. एंड आई कैन नॉट कीप द लाइट ऑन टू मी बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी व्हाट्स गोइंग अराउंड. So I hope you guys understand and enjoy. Keep enjoying the videos. Guys, it really takes a lot of effort. So please help us around to, like, share or follow or like. जो भी आपसे बन सकता है. And I'll promise I'll definitely take you a tour of this whole place. Where was I? कैसे मैं रहा? क्या क्या किया? And this night go. I am a bit tired. मैं traveling करके आया हूँ. So I'm tired because of that. But still, let's see how things goes around. I'm trying to look for wood logs, small, big, any type of wood logs that I can find. And the noise part, because everyone is busy around, so no one's gonna bother me, at least that's for sure. I hope so कि ऐसा हो. Let's see how it goes. वीडियो आई फील तो थोड़ी सी लंबी होगी, सो आई प्ले पॉज अराउंड विद द थिंग्स. गाइज, आई कैन नॉट प्रोजेक्ट द लाइट, बट इफ़ यू आर एबल टू सी, वहाँ पे थोड़ी सी एक लाइट है. आई कैन नॉट गो बियॉन्ड बॉर्डर्स ऑफ समवन एल्स फेंस. सो इज़ द रीज़न आई एम लाइक स्टेइंग अवे एंड आई एम होपिंग कि मुझे लॉग्स मिल जाए. टिल नाउ आई हैव गॉट ओनली 2 logs. देन द डॉग्स हैव स्टार्टेड टू bark because of the light. So I have to be very aware, stay very aware and keep my profile low because there's already sound, but I am not happy with those dogs barking. आप उनकी आंखें तो नहीं देख सकते चमकते हुए, but I can totally see them and they are not happy seeing me here either. So before they make this a lot bigger issue, I would need to keep my profile low. And even if someone comes, I will take that responsibility of what I am doing right now. Because हाँ, मुझे wood logs मिल गए finally. So guys, I might not be able to show because I have to collect them from both the hands. So stay around, we'll get this started. So guys, ये ऑटोमेटिक सेंसर लाइट का मैंने ये जुगाड़ लगाया है यहाँ पे अपने बाइक पे, उसको मैंने फिक्स कर दिया है. So this is what I have been able to manage. इसके अंदर फूड एंड ऑल है, पानी का भी इंतज़ाम है मेरे पास में, wood logs भी आ गया है. So we'll get this started. So guys, ये 2 rod I've managed to take, है ना, on the bike. That will be my shade. I'll be putting my tent across. मैं आपको final setup दिखाता हूँ. Just wait. So this is what the setup looks like. Don't have much light. Sensor light मैंने अंदर रखी हुई है. This is what I have around today. ये बाइक के अराउंड में I've managed to put this. That's what it is. This is what the shade looks like from the inside. So once I set up, you will be able to see much better. I'm sorry for my voice is a bit low because of the surrounding background noise, but this is what the setup hole looks like. और अभी आई हैव गॉट सम लॉग्स, बट नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक फॉर सम बिग स्टोन्स जो मैं बेस बनाऊंगा अपने कढ़ाई को रखने के लिए. And in that way I also have bought a little cooked rice which I cooked on the other spot. So ये दो spots है. I'll let you know each and every detail. Guys, stick around in the video. I'm very sure कि आपका ये जो पूरा screen time है, this won't get wasted if you're planning to do a solo campaign trip or just a friend's night out with like taking camps around, I mean tents around. So this video is definitely for you guys, so better stick around. I know ये अंधेरे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, but the thing is like I have very limited access and gears का भी I didn't want to carry heavy load, and that is why this is all black screen as of now. But I think voice is sometimes more important than the visuals. I'm gonna do, guys, since I'm falling short of woods, I will be using these woods itself, और इसको मैं कुछ और चीज़ से दबा दूँगा. ये स्पॉट है. जो इधर बीच में गड्ढा है ना, गड्ढे में हवा भी जाएगी तो मस्त अपने को मुझे मिल जाएगा. So what I have found is this stack of woods, twigs I can say, but मेरा काम हो जाएगा इससे, because I'll be breaking them into pieces and I'll be using this hole. यहाँ पे गड्ढा है अगर आप देख सकते हो तो. So this is the hole which I'm going to use for air scooping in, and that is what I'm planning to do. Now to Dakota pit hole exactly. Guys, I'm back to work, breaking this twigs around so I can cook today. And that is what a scavenger, not exactly a scavenger, but a nomadic life. I hope I don't get bothered by anyone, because guys, don't do what I'm doing. मैं थोड़ा सा ये रिसर्च करके कर रहा हूँ the location. Okay, make sure that if you do such kind of videos, you don't bother people and they don't bother you around, because some people might get messy with you, and that's not a good sign. Because of the recent attack you must have heard about. This will take a bit. In the meantime, stay aware of your surrounding, guys. I have a bit of task to do. Once I finish this up, I'll let you know what's about to cook. Guys, I was able to manage this, light up this fire. थोड़े से लकड़ी के pieces वहाँ पे. I have since light. Now I can be able to manage and start my dinner ka thing. I'll arrange it and I'll get back to you.